Hi, my name's Grace, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the services icons on your website. To change your site's services icons, go to Content and search for Services. Find your Services page and click on Edit. Scroll down and find the service which you want to update and click on Edit. Find the Icon section and delete the current icon. Then click on the Browse button to search your local computer files for the new icon. Note that you can only use SVG file types for icons. To add an entirely new service, click on the Add Paragraph button at the bottom left and select the Image with Links paragraph type. Give your new service a title and repeat the process for adding an icon. Once you have finished updating the icon, remember to save your changes before you finish by clicking on the Save button in the top right. To view your updated services, navigate back to your website's homepage. That's a brief overview of how to update your website's service icons. I'll see you in the next video.